Hi everyone! Today we're making a delicious twist on classic pancakes, sourdough pancakes. These pancakes have a unique tangy flavor thanks to the sourdough starter. They're fluffy, light, and absolutely delightful. Let's get started! First, we need to mix our wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of sourdough starter. If you're using a fed or unfed starter, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure it's at room temperature. Next, pour in 1 cup of milk. If you prefer a tangier flavor, you can use buttermilk instead. Crack in 1 large egg, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. This will give our pancakes a nice richness. Optional, for a touch of sweetness and extra flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk the mixture until well combined. In a separate bowl, we'll combine our dry ingredients. Start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar if you want a slightly sweeter pancake. Next, mix in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. These will help our pancakes rise and become fluffy. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Now, let's combine the wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture. Stir gently until just combined. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Don't overmix. We want to keep our pancakes light and fluffy. Stir the batter until just mixed. Step 4. Heat the pan. Host. Preheat a griddle or non-stick skillet over medium heat. Lightly grease it with butter or oil. Host. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot griddle for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set, about 2 to 3 minutes. Host. Flip the pancakes and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they're golden brown and cooked through. Host. Keep the cooked pancakes warm in the oven while you finish cooking the rest. Serve them with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fresh fruit, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Host, enjoy your tangy, fluffy sourdough pancakes. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.